Constructing a confidence interval, use the data to construct a 95% confidence interval for the mean number of hours worked by grocery store employees and assume that the population standard deviation is 7.9 hours. And this is the data that we have. So these are the steps that we need to take, constructing a confidence interval for population mean. First, we need to identify sigma. So take a look. Your sigma is 7.9 hours. So sigma is given to us. The sample is more than 30. You have 40 data in your collection. We already calculated X bar, which is 29.6 hours. Since C is 95%, ZC is 1.96. Margin of error, ZC, times sigma over square root of n is also calculated here, 2.4 hours. And then for the confidence interval, you have X bar minus E and X bar plus E. So basically you have the lower bound 27.2 and 32 as the upper bound. And the summary is located here. Sample mean 29.6, sigma 7.9, ZC 1.96, the margin of error, lower bound and upper bound. But how do we use our calculator to make sure of the accuracy of our calculation? Let's take a look at our calculator. So in using our calculator, we need to go to stat and then go to tests. In tests, we need to find the interval. Number 7 is Z interval that we're going to use. In the Z interval, we have the statistic of the data. The statistic is X bar, it is sigma, and the rest of the data. So sigma, remember, was 7.9 hours. X bar was 29.6. N for the sample size 40. C level 95%. So we're going to enter it using decimal, everybody. And then if you do the calculation, this is what you have. So let me share the whole screen with you. So you see the calculator and the algebra that we did, 27.2 hours and 32 on the right-hand side. So we are 95% confident that the population mean is bounded between these two numbers. We are not 100% confident. We are only 95% confident about our data.